Okay, let me see. Say, ah. No, you got to keep your mouth open so I don't accidentally grab the wrong tooth, okay? Yeah, that's the one. Keep your mouth open. Keep it open. Wait, tilt your head up. You keep going down. Keep your head up. Oh, yeah. Almost. Almost. I need the light. I need the light. I almost got it. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta tilt your head up. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I almost got it. Oh, this thing is just working good. All right. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Really? Don't choke on it and don't bite me. Nate, you're almost biting me. Look. Go, spit. Good job. Swiss Army knife. Oh, let me just make sure I don't lose the tooth. Yeah, there you go.